One car. I'll go around this way. Yeah, it's me again. Random ZXD. Been in the park. Video might be short right now. Who cares? Here, we've just been in the park, guys. Oh my god. I'm going on YouTube. Yeah. Been in a memorial park. Say hello, Whoopi. Whoopi.
Right here, what's your name on YouTube?
What?
What's your name on YouTube?
Random ZZZXD. Might not work. Ruby. Ruby's eating a ball again. Wait, the ball's plastic on the inside. I just noticed. Oh, guys, plastic. There's Ruby snatching it out of my hand.
She's having a lovely time. We all have, haven't we?
Yeah. Video might be like 2 minutes 52 seconds, I guess. Find about that. And we're going. No way. But hopefully we'll have McDonald's or KFC. Ding 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 ding. Hopefully soon I'll be uploading a video about commentaries and maybe some GTA, Far Cry. Yeah. But Blood Courier service.